Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to play the game Say Cheese Cafe. This video is divided into 4 chapters: the story, the box, the gameplay, and the impact. Are you ready? Yeah! Get set, go! Say Cheese Cafe is the most happening place in Iceland. Today it is going to give away its food for free. There are pizzas, pastas, donuts, and more yummy stuff. While everyone is trying to grab all the food they can, a fight breaks out. There comes a wise manager and he suggests to play the game to collect the most amount of food and cheese. Can you take the role of mice customers and grab onto the maximum food? Yes? Don't forget to say cheese. When you open the Cheese Cafe box, you will find 130 coins, 4 pouches, 1 spinner, 1 basket, 1 trash bin, and the rule book. Let's move to the gameplay. Take out the basket, the spinner, and the trash bin and place them in the middle of all the players. Divide all the coins in roughly equal number among the players. All players must put the coins into their bags. The 2 most important questions to any game are how to begin the game and how does one win it. Before starting the game, let's decide who will be the first player. For this, each player will pull out a coin from their bags. The player who pulls out the coin with highest number will be the one to begin the game. The other players will move in the clockwise direction. The game ends when one player runs out of coins in her pouch. The player with the maximum points at the end of the game is the winner. The first player will start the game by spinning the pointer. Let's say the pointer stops at the sector with 10 and 4. She will select one number from 2 and announce. Let's say she announces 4. Now, the game will be played with the multiplication table of 4. Early on, kids will choose smaller numbers because they tend to remember those tables or find them easy. But over time, they start picking bigger numbers to challenge the others. She will put out a coin, announce the value to other players, and throw it into the basket. Similarly, the second player will pull out the coin and announce the value. The player should quickly check if the number is the multiple of 4. If yes, then she will say cheese, recite the multiplication fact, and throw the coin in the basket. If her multiplication fact is correct, she will collect all the coins lying in the basket. If her multiplication fact is wrong, she will lose a chance to collect the coins from the basket. The next player will continue with her turn. Every time a player wins cheese coins, she gets a chance to spin the pointer and select multiplication table number with which the game will be played next. Let's say one of the players pulls out and throws a rotten coin into the basket. Now, all the food is considered rotten. Food should be discarded into trash bin immediately. You will notice that there are some dessert coins. Mice love desserts even more than cheese. Therefore, the value of a dessert coin is greater than a cheese coin. At the end of the game, all the players will calculate the total points of their coins. The highest scorer wins. Easy, isn't it? Remember, this video is just a short version of the game rules to get you started quickly. There's a lot more information including more gameplays in the rulebook and our website. Kids will master 11 core math skills while playing Say Cheese Cafe. Every time a player picks up a coin, she revises the entire table of 4. For example, if she picks 17, she will start with the table of 4 till she reaches 17s. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. So, 17 is not in the table of 4. That is a ton of practice of multiplication facts every time you play. We suggest you download the free times table chart from our site and print and keep it with kids so that they can refer to it as they play, especially early on. Kids get 14 times more multiplication practice with each game. Learning math while having fun is the fastest and the most effective way to master math. So, play now, play more. What are you waiting for?